I came with a video that will blow your mind. Settings that you cannot find at the first glance. After that, I prepared a cool gameplay for you.
Unlike other games, the HUD part of Warzone Mobile is not just for moving the buttons, and it has a series of hidden settings inside. Just select the button you want and click the variants option, and then you can see the hidden settings. The first settings are related to the aiming button. By selecting the double tap on the right side of your screen, it becomes the aim button. And if you double tap anywhere, your aim will open. And if you select the button, the aim button will appear. The shooting button has two options. One is for semi-automatic weapons that shoot automatically. The next option is for mortars and airstrikes, which you can use without having to aim with them, just by holding the shooting button and releasing it. The button to change weapons, which has 3 models and 2 options. If you are looking for the movement of pro players, the classic model, and if you are not, the minimalist mode is perfect for you. Direct throw or fast throw is used to quickly throw a knife, grenade, or stun. You can also activate direct zone and auto mantle by pressing the variants button of the joystick. You can choose other customizations, such as time and details of contracts, the names of your teammates and their location, and whether the shape of the mini-map is fixed or rotatable. You can remove your name, and only the names of your teammates will be shown. Mini-map rotation chooses whether your direction is fixed, and the map rotates or vice versa. You can choose to separate the prone button by pressing the sitting variant button. If any of your buttons disappeared, you can return that button by duplicating the HUD. If you like this explanation, write me in the comments so that I can explain the rest of the settings. I invite you to see a cool gameplay.
Vamos.
Buscaré suministros.
Buena. Beautiful.
Voy a morir, ¿no? Soma.
Ahora bueno. Koş on my. Hello. On my.
Anik umma.
Enemy UAV active. Stun out! Grenade! There's 5 left.
Vale muito plano. هر جا بری داشت پشت سرتم. زدمه. فرار نکن دادش به خوابی بزنم دوانم داشت پشت سر نفر اینجا. خودش. ناکه.
Buscaré suministros.
Easy Ronnie, easy.
بزنش یه تیرا. برسید. مرسی.